TikTok confirmed earlier this month its creativity program will leave beta with some improvement and a new name. Today, the change has been officiated with the introduction of the new Creator Rewards program, which replaces beta program. The new Creator Rewards program will continue to reward high quality and original content over a minute long using an optimized reward formula that takes into consideration four major aspects: originality, play duration, search value, and audience engagement. TikTok says the new formula will be automatically reward creators for their account ad value determined by the community ad watch time. According to the new creator reward program, TikTok also released some improvement to the dashboard to offer creators updated analytics and data, as well as more customization for deeper analysis of their content performance, estimated rewards, qualified views, and program eligibility. The updated creator reward program's dashboard features a dedicated page for each video, which include information about RPM and qualified video views. Additionally, TikTok announced the creators will have access to their last payments for the reliable records of the previous and upcoming earnings. Of course, not everyone will be able to benefit from this. To be eligible, you need to be a creator of at least 18 years old, have at least 10k followers with a minimum of 100k views in the last 30 days, have a personal account and good standing where the program is available.